let's just focus to Centre's Asset Monetization Pipeline. Public sector enterprises will start offloading stakes in subsidiaries as part of the new monetization plan. Sapna is here on the phone line with details. Sapna, over to you. Morning.
Morning, Prashant. So this is on expected lines. Some other examples have also happened in the last 12-odd months. But having said that, the government has now outlined a clear 16.72 lakh crore asset monetization pipeline, starting FY26, the current financial year, of course, but that's ending very soon. So I suppose from FY27 onwards, the action is likely to unfold. And, CPSE selling stake in their subsidiaries has been formed as an important part of this new asset monetization plan. So, stake sale in CPSE subsidiaries should take place between FY27 and FY30. The disinvestment proceeds are to be retained by the PSUs as monetized value. For example, if you look at sectors like oil and gas, power, coal, aviation, even probably tourism, you have some big examples there. So, for instance, government has said very clearly in its report that it proposes to sell stake, or rather proposes, that GAIL should actually dilute its holdings in CGD companies and put all of that together in the GAIL Gas, and then that GAIL Gas should be listed thereafter. So that's one. They are also anticipating GAIL Gas FPO, probably in IPO in FY28. Around 31,100 crores is what they plan to raise. Apart from this, Coal India to dilute its holdings in subsidiaries, and there are big targets over here. This is around 48.3 thousand crores, which is basically 48,350 crores is what they are planning between FY27 and FY30 via stake dilution in subsidiaries. Apart from that, similar format for the power CPSEs. 31,000 crores via IPO or FPOs in these companies. Similarly, for Airports Authority of India, the plan is that they should divest their stake in one of the subsidiaries and also do some stake sale in 4 of the joint ventures. Here, the aim is to raise somewhere around 12,500 odd crores via, again, IPO, FPOs, and even private placement. That is also an option as far as the monetization of aviation sector holdings are concerned. Last but not the least, also the redevelopment plan of Hotel Ashok is back on the table. So they are saying that they should start somewhere around, or rather restart somewhere around FY27. This is going to be a PPP model with a lot of, interest from the private sector most likely. And Hotel Samrat earlier, if you remember, was not part of the asset monetization pipeline because it was very close to the Prime Minister's earlier residence. So now that also has been brought under this new framework, and likely timeline for the monetization plan or rather redevelopment of Hotel Samrat is at FY30. Now this is a big, grand, ambitious, almost a 17 lakh crore pipeline that government has in mind. So we'll have to wait and watch and see how this unfolds. Just a quick reference, and the earlier asset monetization pipeline, government says that it has met almost 90% of the 6 lakh crore target. That's it for now.
Thank you very much for that. Back to